Today I'm going to show you my last manicure. So as you can see, I've got my nails already prepped. My cuticles are done and they look a little funny because I still have base coat on from previous manicures. I'm just taking this little nail brush and I am using rubbing alcohol to wipe off all the dust. And now I'm going in with my Luminary primer. I really like this primer. It works great. I'm focusing it on the new growth at the very back of my nail by my cuticle. This stuff is so fabulous. Then I'm going to go in with my Luxa base. I'm fairly new to this product. I think this was only my second time using it. And I really like it. It's a great base coat. And it is a lot stronger than I was expecting. Normally I use a thicker base coat for my longer nails, but I've been surprised with the durability of this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a nice layer. Because I file off my color, I like to use a nice hefty amount of base coat. And then actually after each nail, because I am doing a little bit thicker of a coat, I'm going to just do a flash cure for about 10 seconds so that it doesn't move around on me while I'm doing my other ones. It doesn't flood my cuticles. This is so fun. I love doing my own nails. It's such a fun way to be creative and do something for myself that otherwise would be very expensive. This is a great trick to flip over your hand. This helps it not to flood your cuticles, and it helps it to just, what would be the word, like self-level and just all be looking great before you cure it. This is a good way to get an arch, is to just run your brush up and down and take your base coat exactly where you want it to be. Then my pinky. Take your time with your base coat. This is going to set you up great for your color coat and your top coat. So that time I went in and did the full 60-second cure to get all of those all the way done. And now I'm going to do my thumb. This is my favorite nail to do. Thumbs are so fun because they're a little bit bigger of a nail. Yeah, I just think thumbs are great. Who's with me? So fun. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cure this. When I cure my thumb, I actually pick up the lamp and hold it like this so that my thumb can be completely flat. And that one I did a full 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with this fun color. This is also Luxa Maya Tai. I don't know. Mai Tai. I don't no idea what this is called. Someone please correct me. But this is such a fun red color. It's like a little bit orangey, so it's not like a true red. It has a little bit of orange to it. It's very bright and so fun. I have been loving this color and I think it works great all through the year. It's just such a fun color. You could use it obviously for summer. You can use it for winter, like with Christmas designs. It would be fun for Valentine's. So fun. It's just such a great color. I wanted to keep a few of these in real time. Like this is really how long it takes. This is how slow I go. It probably takes me, I don't know, at least a good hour to do everything. But it is so fun. And this color is fabulous. Like I said, I've really been enjoying it. This is probably the first time I've actually done like a bright red. Usually I'm more of like a pink, a soft pink, more subtle colors. But I really have been enjoying this. For the color as well, I was just doing a flash cure. This is not necessary, but I just didn't want it to move around on me. Of course, my color coat is going to be a lot thinner than my base coat. You don't want to have it too thick, otherwise it will not cure properly. So if you're having problems with it not curing, you're definitely doing too thick of a coat, and thin it out. The awesome part about Luxa polish, so I am not sponsored or anything, obviously, because I have a small channel, but Luxa is fabulous because they make really opaque, is that the word? I think opaque means see-through. I don't know if that's the word. Please, someone tell me what word I'm looking for. They make it so that you can just do one coat. One coat, full coverage for almost all of their nail polishes, which is so awesome. Because like this one, I can just do one coat and be done. I didn't have to go back through for two. And it was just really fabulous. So I love that about Luxa. And they run about, I think it's $17 per bottle, not on sale. They do have a good Black Friday sale, where I think they have everything about 20% off. So definitely do that. I cured that for 60 seconds. So yeah, they're definitely more expensive than just like crappy ones on Amazon, but it is so worth the investment because it's going to make all the difference. And if you spend all this time doing your nails, the last thing you want is just to have them chip off in just a few minutes. So definitely invest in quality products. I think it is 100% worth the money. So yeah, here is the Shine, also Luxa top coat, cured for 60 seconds. So great. You want to do a nice amount of top coat just to make it last. And then I'm just throwing on some cuticle oil. This is just a cheap one you can find at Target. I will post links in the description to this video. And there you have it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you love this color as much as I do. Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment below.